Hey, welcome to this lesson on using your Microbit. Today we're going to start covering how to use the radio or the Bluetooth module embedded into your Microbit. This is going to be a very easy one. You'll probably be able to go through this lesson in a matter of a couple minutes. So we're going to be building on to that mood indicator that we had made early on. You know, you press button A for like a smiley face, button B for a frowny face, shake, it does something else random. We're going to be building on from that. So first thing we need to do is get rid of these guys over here. And let's grab our input blocks of on button A. And let's also set up our on button B pressed. So we have on button A pressed, and we're going to be working this one, and we're going to click on this tab here called radio. Now the radio refers to your Bluetooth unit itself embedded on the Microbit. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab this radio send number. And having this radio send number, we are going to then leave it at 0. And let's grab our show icon over here for button A pressed. So let's set that as smiley face. Button B pressed, same thing. Grab radio send number, and this time we're going to change it to 1. So we're telling it it's going to be sending the specific instruction that's attached to this number, and basic show icon, and then let's do our frowny face. So now that we have this set, let's go ahead and go to radio and grab on radio received number. Once you click this block, it's actually going to create a variable for you called received number. That's going to be important here in just a second. Next, we're going to grab our logic. We're going to go if, and then we're going to grab, again from logic, that 0 equals 0, and put that if 0 equals 0. Then grab that variable that was created for us, received number. Nope. We want that to be received number equals 0. So you can see I'm struggling a little bit using this trackpad here. So if received number equals 0, then it's going to show the input on frowny face for us, or excuse me, smiley face for us. And then we'll do the exact same process for if we received number 1, then it's going to display the frowny face for us. Grab that there. Now, one thing to keep in mind while you're making these, and if you were to share this with a friend, they would have to have the exact same code on their device as well to receive the same signals. Because essentially we're just coding our device to say that, hey, if there is another Microbit out there broadcasting the number 0, then it needs to display, you know, whatever we're telling it to display. Once you have completed this and followed along with it, go ahead and add a command for shake function and a command for the if button A and B are pressed simultaneously. Once you have those done, make sure to title it your name. So this would be Will, and we'll say this is the mood sender. Save it, and then go ahead and upload that to Classroom for me. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on this video. You can test this out with a Microbit in person, or you can test it out using the simulator here. Whatever you do, just make sure you test it out and that it works. All right.